Out for a bike ride with Kainan, riding Toby's bicycle, which one-handed is very odd with the shape of his handlebars and his seat. Oh, it needs adjusted. The boy's as tall as I am now. Has to be uncomfortable for him. Over to the left is 4 turkey barns. Working on growing some of your holiday feast. Oh, here comes the hard part. There's 2 little hills here. Yeah, I'm dreading them. Almost to the top, one-handed. Oh, this isn't working. Oh, shoot. Woo, let's coast downhill. Woo! Give myself a break. Oh my goodness. Coming up the other side, it's annoying. But my goal is to go down to the river. That line of trees you're looking at is the Mississippi River. Yeah, I just slowed down. There we go. Oh, another hill. Woo! Yay, Kainan! Oh, Lord help us if I wreck. Oh, and there's no humidity. Oh, it's so nice. Indiana humidity is just miserable. Bump! Oh, shoot! Holy cow, that's a rough bump. All right. Go over there and see what those crazy cows are doing. Look at them. They're looking at us. You want supper? This is precarious. Sorry about that. They're looking up. They're wondering, are we the neighbors bringing down hay? No. Oh, here comes a car. So how far did you ride earlier, Kainan? Huh? About a mile. Kainan likes exercise and stuff. No, I do not like exercise at all. I absolutely hate it. But that's how it goes. Okay. Alright, this van's gonna go by. And then we'll turn around and head back. Yes, people, I'm talking to myself. Okay. Woo, we got a prettier view of the sky on the drive home, Kainan. Okay, I gotta get that bicycle going. Oh my gosh. Okay, it's gotta motivate me to get my bicycle going. But I need a new tire. I think I might need 2. And considering it's the end of August, man, that's just, I don't know if I want to spend that money. Oh, gotta get my steering going here. Woo, okay. Let's go back by the turkeys. Oh, gotta oh, here we go over this bump. Oh, okay. One hill. And I know a lot of you are laughing. Because that ain't nothing. My thighs don't think so. At work for JDRF, Juvenile Diabetes Research Foundation, because I work for a company that has a strong market with diabetes products. We are working on challenges during September for research funding. This is hard to do holding on with one hand. Okay, back on topic. Woo. You would think that I was like, I'm out of shape. I don't have a weight problem, but I am out of shape. I'm used to just wrestling the animals and gardening. I gotta get back to bike riding. Okay, so for the Juvenile Diabetes Research Foundation fundraising, they're doing, I can't remember how many, lots of steps and team challenges, and a few people in my department were willing to take it on. And there is a fitness center. It's a really nice fitness center. Trainers, classes, everything. It's only $15 a month. Just a nominal fee that they charge. If it's optional if you want to do it. But for 1 month you get to go free. And a couple people really like the classes there, so lunch breaks we're gonna go do some of their challenges on days that I go work at the work campus, and I'm gonna try to bike ride on the days I don't, and get in those steps. That's the thing. I could count more steps if I would just only walk, but there's more to fitness than simply walking. So we're gonna go for it. Do you think by Halloween, Kainan, I can go 4 miles and think nothing of it? We gotta get my bicycle tire repaired though. Toby's bike, if we can just get the seat adjusted right, it's not uncomfortable. It's just awkward with his touring style handlebars on this bike. But hey, didn't have to buy tires for it. Oh goodness. Oh, my nose itches. I'm holding a camera and holding the handlebar of a bike that won't let you ride with no hands. Oh, this is tricky. See if I can drive with my elbow. Sure. Many places all around Indiana and different places, you're not able to take wood from place to place. You cut down trees and just camping firewood or anything like that because of emerald ash borers. And at the front of our property there's a couple trees that we thought, oh, maybe we would have been fortunate, and we just weren't investing in trying to save them, because in the end all the research I was following, it was a moot point, and just replant other trees. And we'd been planting fruit trees to have a purpose of the trees. And here to the right, the neighbors have a large woods, and we'd been talking, and their trees are looking like ours. They've been attacked, and it is a lot of work to fell a tree and to cut it and all that. We don't have wood stove. I don't have an interest in a wood stove. Another story for another day. But all the small branches in that make nice kindling just for small campfires and that. But those two and the one in front of the house, we're gonna have to make our peace with them. And with the really, really dangerous storms that's been coming through Indiana recently, we need to make it sooner than later with the weather. And we finally have had enough rain. The hayfield there is trying to grow back. Not looking too bad. A lonely little apple tree out there. We've got to get it some more, friends. But within 3 miles, there's been more rain than falling here. And look at the soybeans in that field. They just didn't have enough rain falling. A week or so ago, we finally were seeing rain coming back, but it really was too late. And those beans and this corn we're not getting what places we're getting nearby. I want to shut it down because I'm not sure where the dogs are, and I need to concentrate on turning around this bike that doesn't like steering. Have a good evening.